Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. I'm not. But we don't got it high. This is what you like, gotta make. Nothing feels better than this.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Kenysha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, my loves. Welcome back. Merry Christmas from Louis Vuitton. This is my Christmas present from the store from Louis Vuitton that I wanted to open with all of you. And before I get into it, I just wanted to say 2024 has definitely been one of the most challenging years of my life. It's amazing to had so many new experiences despite the downs, the dips. I will say there have been several ups. One of my ups this year has definitely been meeting other luxe lovers through YouTube. Special shout out to Dawn and Winnie BLV and Ed Braun and Lula Lux LV and James Jam and Mary Louise Luxuries, Frozen Luxury. There's a lot of people that I was able to meet this year as a result of YouTube, and I'm really pleased about that. In 2025, I definitely want to extend the meet and greets to my subscribers and viewers, so that's something I've been looking into. And so a little bit of a segue into what I'm thinking of for 2025 is doing some meet and greets at Louis Vuitton for anyone who wants to come to the King of Prussia region, the Philadelphia region. Let me know. I'm definitely going to start putting on some events next year through the nonprofit that I work with, and hopefully we'll be able to allow donations to flow through. That's one thing I wanted to do, as well as start shifting my content, talking a little bit more about less stuff and more money. You know, I definitely bought less this year. Okay, I want you to know. Was it attributed to personal reasons? Absolutely. However, going forward in 2025, I want to be much more intentional with wanting less, spending less, saving more. One of the other things is for 2025 is less spending, more window shopping, more saving, more budgeting. Just not wanting to overconsume, and you know how picky I am anyway. I just really feel like in terms of luxury, like we gotta keep our eyes on Louis Vuitton, because I feel like their prices are starting to tip in the scale of over excessive for me, which is interesting. I don't know if I would have arrived there if I hadn't previously been laid off, but now that I'm arriving there, I'm saying to myself, less disposable income, prices are crazy. In my view, this is definitely about, do I want to continue the spend work life cycle for me? And the answer has been no. I want to break that cycle, which is more of the rat race, in my opinion. So I just want to learn how to live on less financially, as well as buying less stuff. And it has a lot to do with wanting to have finances 20 years from now, you guys. So I wanted to open and see what we've got here from Louis Vuitton and thank my client advisor and the team. There's a whole team behind my client advisor who supports me. I just wanted to open this with all of you guys, and I wanted to thank my community, thank my subscribers, viewers, ear hustlers, for tuning in and helping the channel grow. Definitely stay tuned for 2025. Let's make it flow. Okay, let's just make it flow. Health and wealth, you guys. Richer and richer in 2025. So what do we think about this holiday packaging? Yeah? What do we think about this holiday packaging? It's everything. Tag, bow, box. I got this in the mail and I was definitely surprised because I hadn't bought anything yet. So I'm gonna save it all because this is actually really nice stuff. I actually want to figure out, you know how you saw, what is her name? Amy Chow. What is her name? Who has all those Hermes scarves framed? I'm gonna start framing all my Louis Vuitton packaging. What's wrong with that? This is where we start enjoying the art. Oh, Kenysha from Louis Vuitton. Okay. What, you guys? Wait till you see what's in here. Oh, Joyeuse Fête. Dear Kenysha, wishing you a wonderful holiday season filled with love and happiness. Best wishes, Lynn and your friends at Louis Vuitton. My friends at Louis Vuitton. Shoot. Well, am I going to keep getting gifts like this if we friends? Shoot. Whoop. Oh, what? A whole bottle? A whole bottle of Ruinier. Y'all who speak French, I speak it, but am I saying it right? Ruinier Blanc de Blanc is wrapped in an innovative, ultralight, eco-designed paper case that preserves the integrity of the Ruinier taste. Made of natural wood fiber sourced from responsibly managed European forests, it fits like a second skin as an entirely recyclable. Okay. I don't even want to take it out of its second skin. Oh, look at it. All right, so obviously I'm going to save this for New Year's. We're going to celebrate. We're going to pop it for New Year's. They want me to celebrate, and I'm going to celebrate 2025. We're going to ring in the new year with Louis Vuitton. We're going to celebrate 2025 with some champagne. Un petit peu de champagne. Oui. Est-ce que tu veux boire un petit peu de champagne avec moi? Y'all, I studied French for middle school, high school, and college. So when I tell you second language, yes, ma'am. So I think this is real sweet. I also really like this box, and it's really nice and hard. So we're gonna save it for some sort of decoration. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out of here. Ooh. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second, girl. We might be able to save this little bottle and case after all when we're finished. When we're finished. You know what? Louis Vuitton, we might be able to go bowling in 2025, Louis Vuitton. You and me, we might be able to be friends still. Friends to the end. Who else grew up watching Chucky, Child's Play? That is a little bit of my Louis Vuitton gift for the holidays, and I thanked the team. Now I want to talk a little bit about Murakami, okay? Who here is here for it? Who here is here for Louis Vuitton Murakami? I know. Oh, I know. Okay, let's just wait and see when the pieces come in, how we feel about them, okay? Let's revisit. Let's come back and revisit in the new year how we feel about everything. And I also want to say, hey, you guys who were my giveaway winners, y'all need to follow up with me. And if you didn't watch the last video announced, I don't know. I might have to start picking different giveaway winners. I might have to actually, I think I've really been thinking about this, you guys. Going forward in 2025, regarding giveaway winners, will start picking. I will only be picking members only and top commenters. So y'all better get on the ball. I want to thank my members. I want to thank my top commenters. I want to thank my subscribers. I want to thank all my luxury YouTube friends. If I missed your name, you know, please have no hard feelings. Hopefully you reach out and we connect going forward down the road. And if I call out your name, hopefully I will see you in 2025. As well as, you know, I'm hoping to get to know additional folks who share the same luxury vibes, who share the same love of luxe. So thanks again for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Thanks for joining. And if you don't already, go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, as well as subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. So this is my first look at these inside out Neverfulls. I don't think I like them, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I don't understand, honestly. I'm not sure if I care for this look.